Your initial reply hit me undercover when I lost my head to it. It was out of its time, it was undiscovered as I caught my breath again. You were running out of lines to keep me under, afraid of your backhands. So to speak, you had me shaking at the knees. But I don't know the way out of this mess. No, I don't know